This is what men should be doing. Where I'm standing right now is in Matu. Matu is along Thika Garissa Road. And this is our newest project here in Matu, Lily Gardens, Matu Phase 4. Now men, let's talk. Men are about taking risk, taking step and daring. I want to tell you that men are investing heavily, doing other investment, purchasing land and other forms of investment. So ukisikia mwanaume akikwambia nitajaribu, wacha nione next year, hizo ni story za jaba. Wanaume kamili who take such an initiative, anua shamba kama mahali kama hapa, anawekea kizazi chake investment. Remember, men are known to be the head of the family. You are there, you've been looking for an affordable land, then start with Pangu Investment Limited. Such a nice place in Matu with neighbors, water, electricity. Actually, next to our project here, we have an investment, a very big resort that a man risks, and today he is enjoying the fruits. These plots are 50 by 100, going at an affordable price of 260,000 in cash, and at 290 you pay in installment of up to 8 months. Prices are title inclusive. This message is for you, boy child. Let's start today. Let Pangu Investment Limited help you own land affordably. Ndio pia wewe usiwe mtu wa story ati unaona pale hivi juzi kulikuwa kunauzwa 250 na nilikuwa na pesa by the way, lakini niliogopa. Unaona ile jumba pale imejengwa tu nikiona. By the way, unaona ile hoteli pale tulikuwa tumeitiwa na watu wengine, nikaasimu tu na nilikuwa na do. Tuwache stories za jaba, kuja kwa Pangu Investment Limited tukupatie ploti mzuri hapa Matu, ulipe pole pole. Piga nambari 0781 000 888. This is for men. Pangu Investment Limited. Be part of us.